Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the COMISO X8pro Bluetooth speaker with phone stand. This 3-in-1 gadget promises a combination of a phone stand, Bluetooth speaker, and waterproof design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the sound quality is impressive. With 5W, PEEP 10W drivers, this speaker delivers amazing stereo sound, making it a cool accessory for music lovers and movie enthusiasts. It's a versatile gift option for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. The IPX7 waterproof rating is a standout feature. It's designed to withstand rain, spills, and even submersion in water for up to 30 minutes. Perfect for use in the bathroom, by the pool, or in any wet environment. The foldable and portable phone stand is a practical addition. You can adjust it to a comfortable viewing angle, reducing strain on your neck and back. The non-slip rubber pad ensures your device stays securely in place, making it great for hands-free gaming, video watching, and FaceTime calls. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the speaker offers lower power consumption, faster transmission, and a stable signal without delays. The built-in microphone enhances the functionality, making it easy to take calls seamlessly. The stability of the phone holder is notable, thanks to the weighted base. It accommodates a wide range of smartphones and tablets, including Apple, iPhone, Samsung, Kindle, Switch, iPad mini, iPad Air, and more. Just a heads up, though, the COMISO X8pro doesn't function as a power bank, and there's no wireless charging feature included. In conclusion, if you're looking for a multifunctional gadget that combines a Bluetooth speaker, phone stand, and waterproof design, the COMISO X8pro is worth considering. It's a thoughtful gift for tech enthusiasts who value both functionality and versatility. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.